this is my daddy Kirby and welcome to Shamara's
Shamara's
channel.
channel.
Today we're having a challenge of
Bean Boozled Challenge. Ay, mamaya titikman natin isa-isa ang mixed jelly beans, penny starch stick, and penny roller.
Penny roller.
At meron din tayong car with
Meron tayong
nerds.
card
This one.
nerve. And this is a happy bag. Inside it's nerves. Oops.
Okay.
Okay.
At meron din kami
And
na-download na
na-download na
spin the wheel na
Spin the wheel
kung
na.
kinds ng beans.
mga beans.
Oh,
Yeah.
ano ba yung hulaan natin? Ito yung hulaan namin. Oh, ano yung hulaan natin? Sabi mo
Ang
natin.
first step, stink bag.
Stink bag or
Or
toasted,
toasted marshmallow.
marshmallow.
Oh my
Meron-
God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Meron din
Dirty dishwasher. Ew, that's disgusting.
dishwater. Saka or birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Tapos meron din mga kung rotten egg or buttered popcorn,
Or dead fish.
dead fish or
Strawberry banana smoothie.
meron din, what is this?
That's a barf
Barf or peach.
or peach.
Canned dog food or
Hot dog
chocolate
food
pudding.
Or chocolate.
Meron din, what's this? Booger, yeah. Or juicy.
Pear.
Meron din,
Spoiled milk. Ala.
yeah. Or coconut.
Sa mesa, dirty, 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 dirty.
Meron din stinky.
Socks.
Or tutti
Or
frutti.
tutti frutti.
And the last is
Skunk spray or
li- licorice.
licorice.
Okay, let's start na. Okay, let's start na.
Okay, let's
Rock,
start.
paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Okay, persevere. Siya pa na.
Hi.
Oh, spin na.
Woo!
What's that?
Ah.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bag. Oh, get one.
Oh my gosh, where's that?
Ganyan yung may black, brown or white. No, ito.
Ayan yun.
Oh. Kailangan mo.
Toasted marshmallow, I think.
Oh, anong lasa? Yummy? Or,
Oh, I think it's toasted marshmallow.
wow, one
Oh.
point. Okay, it's my turn. Let's start.
Good bite.
Hmm?
Sarap!
Oh,
I'm
tignan
right.
natin kung tutti frutti or stinky socks. Saan yun?
Baka ito.
May blue eh. Ito.
That's rainbow? Sugar?
Mm. It's tutti frutti eh.
Ah!
Okay, all one. Okay, Kelly's turn.
So yummy. Oh, it's raining.
Again, toasted marshmallow or stink bag. O, ganyan.
Think this it?
Pati yun. Need brown. Ito.
I
Ay,
think
hindi.
yung kanina.
Sige yun. Ayan.
I think
Hindi ko ka naubos isang. Ano?
toasted marshmallow again. Ang
Again?
sarap.
Ay, daya. Okay, it's my turn.
I'm a loser, a loser, a loser is a loser. This.
Okay, let's taste kung chocolate pudding or canned dog. Yuck. Ew.
Zero.
It's canned dog food. Ew. Yuck. Okay, let's turn na.
I'm scared.
Yuck, lasa. Mamaya, tikman mo yun. Yeah. Oh, tutti frutti or stinky sauce.
Saan yun? Balik.
This one. Patingin.
Ito.
May ano eh, blue. Blue, hello. Ito.
Hmm?
Yan.
I'm not yet done eating
Eh,
this.
ilawa mo.
Okay.
Inom mo water muna.
Okay. Take this.
Why? Ano lasa?
It tastes like stinky socks.
Sige nga, ubusin mo. Yeah. Okay, it's my turn.
Disgusting! Oh!
Stinky socks talaga yung lasa. Stinky socks.
Oh!
Oh!
Wala na yun.
Toasted marshmallow na naman. Tingnan na.
Baka,
Wala na yata eh. Ito.
I think.
Yuck!
Wala.
It's a stink bag. Yuck.
Okay, it's my turn. Hey, that's disgusting.
Kadiri lasa. Oh, is peach or bar?
This one, ikaw.
Sige, bite.
Bleh! Barf! Barf!
Yeah, puro papangit ang lasa na kukuha
Wait.
natin. Ay, it's my turn.
Oh my god! I keep losing, baby.
Again, chocolate pudding or canned dog food. What color ba yan?
Brown.
Di ba?
Brown. What?
Eh, ang malas po yung canned dog food. Yuck!
Do you need some water?
Oh, your turn.
Eh?
Yeah.
What's the user? Ish.
Yan, go.
There's the arrow, guys. You have to click. And there it goes. There it goes.
Oh, strawberry, banana, smoothie, or dead fish.
Nasaan yun? Ito kaya yun?
May yellow.
Oh, may yellow.
Ito. This one. Yan.
Let's see. This is a... Bah!
Why? Dead fish or strawberry?
Dead fish?
Strawberry. Sarap? Yummy?
Or maybe this is strawberry banana smoothie.
Wow.
Oh, yes!
Ang galing. Mukhang matatalo ako. Okay, it's my turn.
Sarap. If I ever...
Tama? Bango nga. Okay, ako din. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Ito yun.
Hindi.
May
May
yellow.
yellow? Hmm? Okay. Good. Strawberry banana smoothie.
Where to?
Okay, let's start na.
Hindi pa.
Mamaya
I'm
tikman,
not yet eating this
mamaya
meat.
tikman natin yung iba.
Ayan. After nito.
Ang dami pa niyan.
Ha?
Patikimin mo si mami mo. Oh, it's coconut or spoiled milk.
Anong
Plain
meron?
white. Plain white. This one, oh. Yeah. Ay, ito na ito.
Ha?
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Coconut! Ah! Tagal-tatlo na ako.
Wow, galing. Okay, it's my turn.
I think that's candy.
Liquorize or skunk spray?
Ang sarap.
This one.
So
Yeah.
romantic.
Good.
Ano yun?
Masarap. Liquorize. Para siyang coffee. Okay, guys.
Ay, hindi ko pa ito ubos.
Ubus mo. Nalaman na. Para siyang coffee. Asarap. Si mami patikimin yung mamaya. Oh. Again, strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. Get some.
Yung sa inyo, may yellow ba yun?
Ayan na yun. Yan. Hindi yan yung peach. Ito.
Ah.
Sarap. Yeah.
Dead fish!
Okay, it's my turn.
Hindi.
Ay! Wag mo punas doon. Oh, it's a birthday cake or dirty dish water. What's that? What's that?
My birthday cake, rainbow siya, rainbow. Rainbow imagination.
What's that? This one? Yellow?
Yung puro color.
At
Yung nakita ko kanina.
saan? At ito. This one, oh. No?
Okay. Do this.
Yuck! Ew!
Ano yun?
It's dirty dishwater. Kadiri.
Ah, my turn, my
Parang ang
turn.
kumakain ng ewan.
I hope I don't get
It's chocolate pudding or canned dog food. Canned dog food. Canned dog food.
as well.
Sige, taste mo. Yeah. Puro dog food ata yan eh. Iwi. Ang dao, tama na yung water. Okay, it's my turn.
It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth when I ate it.
Oh, toasted marshmallow or steak bun. Meron pa ba nito? Puro
Wala
ganito
na.
yung lumalabas.
I think that's it.
Wala na yata. Oh, isang turn ko pa.
Okay. My God, you're sticking it. Again.
Strawberry banana
Ito
smoothie
yung
or dead fish. Oh,
sweet, right?
Yuck! Dead fish. Ew!
Ang dami na namin naluwao, guys. Ayan.
Sino kaya mananalo, guys? Tignan natin, ha?
Both of us.
O, ikaw na. Your turn.
Oh my God, I think it's that
Pwede ba
booger.
tikman na ito? Ang bang.
Again?
Chocolate pudding or
I just
canned
take
dog
another
food.
turn.
Ay, dadaya!
I just did.
Mamaya, chocolate pudding makuha mo eh. O, tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Nasaan na yun?
Yan, yan, yan.
Ah, may pink lang siya eh.
Ayan yun.
Oh.
Try. Sige, malay mo, tutti frutti.
Ah!
Why? Yuck!
Stinky socks!
Puro masasama yata lasang marami nito eh.
My head is aching. My head is aching from that
Coconut or
water
spoiled milk?
system.
Iyo. Sabiri naman, puro ang sasama ng lasa. It is spoiled milk. Iyo.
It's
Ikaw
still
na.
in my mouth. Ano bang nakinaan ko kanina?
Kanina? I don't know. Nakalimutan ko na.
Or baka
Huwag ka
yung ano ba
mag-focus
yun?
dyan.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? I don't know.
Ikaw na.
You don't skip. Ay, nako. Nasa bibig ko pa rin.
Coconut or spoiled milk. No, isa. Yan yung isang plain yan. Coconut? What?
Ah! Spoiler.
Mm.
Yung niluwa mo, coconut yun.
Hindi ang sama ng lasa kaya.
I think...
Peach or bark?
Mm.
Good. Sarap. Sa peach. Kyle's turn.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, please don't trouble it.
Hindi pa tayo nakakuha ng lime
Oh!
Spin again. Wala na yan eh.
Spin the wheel. Ting, ting. Ting, ting. Ting, ting.
Meron pa ba? May isa pa.
Oh!
Isa. Yan. Coconut na yan. Sige, mamaya. Coconut? Naubos mo na eh. Why? Baka coconut yun.
Mukhang spoiled milk.
Grape juice. Tsaka grape juice. I said it then, remember.
Oh, coconut ulit. Wala na yan. Ubos na yan.
Baka wala na tayong lime. Meron ba tayong lime?
Ayaw nga mag-lime eh. Again, peach or bark?
Meron pa tayo ito yun.
Hindi ba yan? Ito yun oh.
How did you know? No.
Ew! Ayaw na.
Ito naman, pustiso.
Sino panalo dito? And the winner is?
Losers.
No, Kelly is the winner. Mas marami siyang nahulaan na tikman na good ang lasa. O, tikman na natin tong ibang...
Ito.
What's this? By the way guys, ito ay galing pala sa Candy Corner. Nabili namin siya sa sale sa Lazada.
Lucky
Sarap,
guys.
alaha.
Let's see this in Halloween.
Dati nung bata kami, nilalaro namin ito. Ganda yan.
Ano?
Ang vampire.
Ew. Nasa strawberry siya.
Gusto mo, buksan natin.
Ah, sige. Okay, you just open.
I don't know.
We need to skip this marshmallow.
Paano nila-open to?
Dito sa baba.
Oh.
Dito! Paano siya open?
Sige. Yun sa babaw ko. Oh.
Worms! Ay!
Ito siya guys. Red tsaka blue. Tingnan natin.
Sour!
Sour siya.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Ito pa, oh.
Ayan yung roll. Nakakain ka na ba nito? First time mo pa lang kakain nito, no? Yeah.
Ano siya, mahaba to? Mahaba.
So,
Can I share with you?
bye.
Oh.
Bait mo na kasi. Ano yung lasa? Medyo maasim siya. Extra sour pala kasi siya. Kaya maasim. Yeah. Pero
Ito,
masarap.
mama. Ito?
Sarap siya.
Ito na pa.
Sige, tingnan mo. Masarap kaya.
Oh, ito na. Next. Baka may sticker to.
Ano ba yan?
Ito, oh, beware.
Nako, rotten zombie dyan. Parang rotten ano din ba to? Tunaan natin.
Hindi pa tayo nakakain ng rotten egg, ah.
Ano ba tayo nakakain ng rotten egg? Ay, yung baho! Yeah! Kain na nga.
Just skip this. Ano na tayo? Tapos na tayo dito.
Ang dami na iskay. Ay, nagdikit na siya.
Nawa?
May halo. Meron din masarap. Yeah. Ikaw, tikman mo.
Walang sticker.
Walang sticker. Yeah. Kaya ka na, guys. May halo siya. Ikaw, tikman mo.
Kasi,
Parang malalasaan.
sarap nitong purple tide.
Okay, ito yung mixed jelly beans naman.
After nyan,
Ito,
guys, ito
fruity.
naman happy.
Ito yung protein ng jelly bean.
I think this one's fruity, no?
Ito, sarap.
Ha? Ay,
About to.
sa'yo mo husband milk.
Ano itong asphalt milk? Puro protein na yan eh.
Ito! Ito! Ito ang sakit sa akin. Ito masarap.
Anong favorite mo dyan sa lahat?
Itong cake.
Ako din ito, tsaka ito. Susawa.
Tsaka ito din.
Ano
Tsaka,
pa?
ano.
Ito, gusto mo?
Eh!
About this one? Ito may nakaroon sa iyo.
Huwag mo yan skip.
Ito pa, hindi pa natin ito. Ito dito sa bukas. Sa likod.
Love, love, love.
Get lang.
Ang shopping tsaka purple, ayan o. Ayan guys.
Hindi mo na alam. Huwag yung pabibig ko. Pero tingnan natin yun.
Ha?
Pareho sila, maasim din. Pero, mas malasa to. Kumpara mo siya dito.
Wait, kasi. Ito.
Pareho lang yun ito. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Thank you
guys.
for watching.
Yes.
Subscribe, like, and share. And click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.